Yes, we have some thank yous. Anyone else want to make comments about what they got from this workshop for themselves or how they found it?
I can just say I'm not the same person I was when I started at all. And I'm so grateful and appreciative for for you, Jenny, for bringing this out to people and making it available, and then to all of the participants that, are sharing such life enriching stories and their energy and yeah, it's just been great. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for your participation, your energy, your vulnerability, and your willingness to look at everything at a soul level and how it interacts with you at a human level, and your willingness to take that on and to look into it and to improve yourself and to, yeah, continue working for your highest good and for the highest good of everyone else. Yeah. So thank you. Thanks.